Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic: how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing education. From personalized learning to administrative efficiency, AI is changing the way we teach and learn. Let's get started. So, what exactly is AI in education? It refers to the use of algorithms and software to deliver personalized learning experiences, automate administrative tasks, and provide insights into student performance. Sounds exciting, right? One of the most significant impacts of AI is personalized learning. AI-driven platforms can analyze a student's strengths and weaknesses, tailoring lessons to meet their individual needs. Imagine a classroom where every student gets a customized learning path. How empowering is that? Next up, we have intelligent tutoring systems. These AI programs provide real-time feedback and support to students, helping them understand complex topics at their own pace. They can even adapt their teaching methods based on the student's learning style. AI isn't just for students, it's also a game changer for educators. By automating administrative tasks like grading and scheduling, teachers can spend more time focusing on what they do best: teaching. Data-driven insights are another crucial aspect. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends in student performance, helping educators make informed decisions and improve their teaching strategies. Of course, integrating AI into education comes with challenges. Issues like data privacy, the digital divide, and the need for teacher training must be addressed to ensure that AI benefits all students. The future of AI in education is bright. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative solutions that enhance learning experiences and outcomes. Imagine virtual classrooms powered by AI, making quality education accessible to everyone, everywhere. To wrap up, AI is set to revolutionize education by personalizing learning, supporting teachers, and providing valuable insights. What do you think about the role of AI in education? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on the latest trends in technology. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.